Kung hapit na ka ma-senior or naa kay mga kaila, then you need to hear this. Kasagaran sa mga hamtong karon, labi naghapit na mag-retire. Mga hadlok in town, mostly moingon nga unsa nala ilang buhaton kay tigulang naman sila, magsugod na dayon ang sakit ug uban pa. Now in this video, let's try to change our perspective and find out kung unsa bagay sekreto into a long and happy life. Before we proceed, please share this video, like and follow for more. Sa ubay-ubay na kog halubilog mga senior citizens, muingon gyud di sila kasagaran nga, ay, tigulang naman gud ko. Halos tanan naa jud ning tigulang nga word. And it keeps me thinking and believing nga delikado gud ay ug mag senior citizen na ka. Sa dihang nag-retire na akong mama, nakita na ako ang transformation niya bisan unsa pa siya ka positive. All of a sudden, the day sa iyang pag-retire jud, hala, gikalintura og naghigda na lang gud siya for 2 days. Bisan unsa pa ka bubbly and energetic ani niya sa una, na inani jud siya. Weeks, months ang nilabay, she managed to join a community, meet with her high school friends, and continue doing what she loves the most. Nibalik ang iyang glow ug pagkasiya. 3 things iyang gibag-o: environment, positive and right mindset, and of course ang pag-ampo. Then never ko ni nadunggan sa iya ang word nga tigulang naman ta. And why is this very important? Because words are powerful. What you say will dictate who you are. Fast forward karon in tawon no tungod sa iyang pagka-positive, daghan kog contents gihimo sa iya for inspiration and for good vibes. Daghang mga nangalipay pero naagay mga bitter pod nga mga tao. Nga giingnan pa gyud siya giango-ango. Pero believe ko, wa gyud niya gi-mind. Because you know what? Wisdom is the price of aging. While nag-research ko, nakita ko ni nga libro. Sikreto ni siya sa mga Japanese. Ikigai, which means life to be worthwhile. It should be clear to you and you should know your passion, your mission, your profession, and your vocation. The more you find your purpose is the longer you live and the happier you become. Now, bisan pag nag-retire na ka, kay kinahanglan man gyud na diri sa atua. Wa na magpasabot nga moundang na ka. Kung passion nimo mamaligya, hala pamaligya as long as you're happy and contented, and that's it. Sa Japan, bisa 97 years old pa ka, una mo retire, pwede ka.
He just celebrated his 97th birthday and only recently retired from his job selling peanuts to customers. The secret? It's his passion for life. Karaoke. Stay young and have fun no matter how old you get. That's right. He drives a Porsche. Like this, why not go for a short drive?
For me, to sum it up, kay dili man ta Japanese, nagitay sariling Bisdak version of how to live a long and happy life. 4 things lang: your environment, positive and right mindset, ikigai, be grateful to God about everything. That's it. The question now is, ready na ba ka matigulang or to face aging gracefully?